Hi friends, today we are discussing about Aquarius. Aquarius is a ruler of shin, circulatory problems, varicose and angles. So there is chance for varicose pain and angle injury. Saturn is the planet ruled by Aquarius. According to the family background of each person and date of birth of the person and date of time, Saturn may be negative or positive by person. So if it is negative, there may be chance to break the leg, bone muscles issue and hair issue. Also it indicates arthritis, joint pain, gastric problem. Thanks for watching.